Hello there, Lazy Teacher here. This is going to be your second distance educational video. Before we start, I would like to say that if I manage to upload this video to YouTube, you will be able to watch it there with Bulgarian and or English subtitles, which will make it far easier for those of you who have troubles understanding anything. In any event, if you have any questions, you can ask me by using the school platform, if it is working, or by using Viber and Facebook or email. It doesn't matter. That out of the way, I want to address the first video that I made and was meant for yesterday. The issue was that the video was considered to be too large for Viber and the school platform to be shared, so currently I'm still trying to upload it to YouTube. My intention is to leave the uploading process going for the night, and hopefully I'll be able to send it tomorrow with the rest of the materials for the day. Meanwhile, I'll try to make this video and the future ones, the ones to follow, shorter in order for them to be easier to be shared. Now moving on with the English, next Tuesday, which is 24th of March, you will have an exam, and it will cover units 4 and 5. It won't cover unit 6 because we've started today, but we won't be able to finish it, that's for sure. So yeah, you should check your grammar and vocabulary sections from unit 4 and unit 5. For unit 4 you have daily routines, starting with page 14. The grammar section is the modal verb can and its negative form can't. Adverbs of frequency, we have here adverbs of frequency and adverbs of manner. What else? Vocabulary, we have school subjects. Moving on to unit 5, you have sports for vocabulary. The grammar section is with present continuous, so this is how we form it, with the verb be, the auxiliary verb be, and the ing form of the verb, which is present participle form of the verb. And the use of present continuous was for things that are happening at the moment of speaking. Next we have what else? Adjectives of opinion. And yeah, that's that. So today we're going to start with exercise, not exercise, with unit 6, which is at home. Very interesting. We'll start it with page number 56 and 57, and basically what I wanted to do for today and probably most of the days is to do these exercises. I'm going to read them and explain what you're going to do to each exercise, and after you have finished them, you have done them, you can then check the answer key that I will provide to you in additional Word or PDF file. So yeah, starting with exercise 1, the vocabulary sections. We have rooms and furnitures. Listen and repeat the words, match them with the pictures from 1 to 13. So now I'm going to read them, read the words. Armchair, bed, bookcase, chair, cooker, cupboard, desk, lamp, mirror, sofa, table, toilet, and wardrobe. Now these are the pictures and you have to connect them. You know drill, you have to write exercise 1, page number 56 in your notebooks, and then connect the pictures with the numbers with the letter, with the words. Now moving to exercise number 2, how do we say these rooms in Bulgarian? Basically you have to translate these 5 words and then match the words with the words from exercise 1. Afterwards we're starting with exercise 3, listen to Regina and Liam. Where do they do their homework? We are going to do this exercise. I have transcribed the text, so this is the listening audio script and I'm going to read it to you. So it is unit 6, vocabulary, rooms and furniture, page 56, exercise 3, track 2.02. The conversation is between Regina and Liam, and Regina starts by asking Liam, where do you usually do your homework, Liam? And Liam answers, I usually do it in the living room on a big table. What about you? I do it in my bedroom. So that's that. You have to answer the questions and then move on to exercise 4, which is speaking part, but you're going to do it alone by answering basically the questions. In pairs, find out where your partner does the things in the box. What I want you to do for this exercise is to write the question like so, where do you usually read, and then answer the question, I usually read in my bedroom. Or supposedly you don't read, you may say I don't read. This is a possible answer as well. Moving on to page number 57, we have the reading section, history file. Starting out with the word check. What I want you to do for this one is to try and use the dictionaries that I have given to you. For this particular exercise you may need to use not only the Eurodict dictionary, not only Eurodict, but also Oxford Dictionary learners that I have given to you. The reason why you need to use probably these dictionaries is because these some of these words are very specific, like semi-detached and terraced, and they mean very specific things, and in Oxford Dictionary they will probably be translated and explained better. Yeah, used to describe houses that form a part of terrace or street with houses in terraces. Anyways, they are explained as well in the student's book as well. So first of all, you have to find these words, what do they mean. Afterwards you have to read the three paragraphs that we have here and then answer the questions. The first one is to give each paragraph a title. Basically you have 3 possible titles: the 1990s flat, the 1850s Victorian house, and the 1950s semi. And basically you have to connect the numbers with the letters from 1 to 3 to paragraphs A to C. Then exercise 2, it doesn't matter, we have the listening part, we'll skip the listening part, read the text again, choose the correct answers, then listen and check your answers. You check your answers with the file that I will provide to you. And yeah, basically you have to answer these questions by choosing the multiple choice. The next thing is exercise 3. You have to answer these questions, and again you have to write the answers in your notebook and then check the answers. Basically that's all for today. If you have any questions with the exercises, or you have any questions with the exam that's next week, you can ask me and I'll try to answer as soon as possible.